Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news for all you lightweight Linux enthusiasts out there. Lubuntu, the beloved lightweight Ubuntu variant, is making a triumphant return with its latest release, packed with a plethora of new features and improvements. They're calling it Mantic Minotaur. Let's dive right into what's new and improved. First up, the heart and soul of any Linux system, the kernel. In Lubuntu 23.10, we're seeing the introduction of kernel 6.5. This is a monumental upgrade because it brings a host of enhancements like significantly improved hardware support and a noticeable bump in system performance. And check this out, it now supports Wi-Fi 7 and MIDI 2.0 compatibility, among other impressive features. Now, let's talk about the desktop environment. Lubuntu 23.10 introduces LXQt 1.3.0 as its default. While it's still based on Qt 5.15, the team's already working diligently on Qt 6 support for future updates, promising even more cutting-edge features. The file manager, PCman FMQt, has seen some major upgrades too. It now takes care of desktop item stability during configuration changes and introduces a nifty title feature for your desktop. Plus, you have more control over scrolling in view modes, ensuring a seamless and personalized user experience. Speaking of PCman FMQt, this version addresses a few key issues. Now, your desktop items won't go shaky during config changes. And check this out, you can disable smooth scrolling in all view modes, not just some, putting you in control of how you interact with your files. Also, non-executable files with executable types open without a hitch, and New File is now the default name for fresh files, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. Moving on, in Lubuntu 23.10, the DOM plugin is now active by default in the LXQt panel, elevating your panel experience. This means more customization options and smoother functionality for your tasks. And the new QTerminal version addresses a few bugs, making it even smoother when switching between dark and light themes, ensuring your workspace always looks and feels just right. So there you have it, folks. Lubuntu 23.10 Mantic Minotaur is packed with these fantastic updates and enhancements, making it a must-try for all you lightweight Linux fans. You can grab this version right now from the download link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.